challenge here for prosecutors is this is not private property, it's public property. So I want to show you here what we're talking about. This was the news release that went out that said, that U.S. attorney was announcing prosecutions in New Mexico. So this was on May 1st. 2 weeks later, we get this headline that says the judge dismisses these trespassing charges. The problem is, we're talking about public land. So it would be like the sidewalk. You're allowed to be on the sidewalk unless you see a sign, unless a police officer, somebody tells you that that area is closed off. They can't just arrest you for trespassing on a public space, on a traditional public forum, without this notification ahead of time. And so the judge is saying there was no indication that all of these people who were there knew they were trespassing, so those charges got thrown out.
Morgan, we heard from the conservationist in Alex's piece a minute ago. Is it realistic that people other than migrants might find themselves in these military zones?
Yeah, this one in Arizona in particular, I've been out there several times. It kind of looks like sort of a no man's land out there, but it's really popular with off-roaders and people who go and look at desert landscape and conservationists and researchers. So it is an area that does bring people out there. And the way this law is designed, it doesn't say, and it couldn't say, it'll only target migrants who trespass on there. This law would have to apply to anybody who goes out there. So there is a real concern, a legitimate concern about other people, regular Americans, that if they go out there to recreate the way that they're used to doing so, they could inadvertently violate this law and find themselves in trouble.
Sounds like that's why that New Mexico is kind of a test case. It appears to be working. If people who are caught up for the wrong reason, those cases are getting tossed out anyhow.
Yeah.
Thank you, Morgan. Well, just